How to turn off low data mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off low data mode on your iPhone. It's both for Wi-Fi and cellular, so if your apps aren't updating or things feel slow, the settings might be a reason. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on cellular. And here simply choose cellular data option, and once you see the interface like this, simply toggle off the low data mode option. And once you do that, this will restore full functionality for the things like app updates, background refresh and more. But that's just for cellular data. If you are on Wi-Fi, you will want to change that too. So go back to the main settings screen and tap on Wi-Fi. And here find the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to and tap on I icon next to it. And here once you see the interface like this, you can see the option labeled as low data mode. So just toggle it off and that's it. Now you have turned off low data mode for both Wi-Fi and cellular, which means your iPhone can once again download updates, refresh app in the background and work at its full speed. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.